In this video, I am going to show you how to convert any image as a PDF file by your Android device. If you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe the channel. Let's get started. From your phone menu, go to the gallery, open any photo which you want to convert into a PDF. Here I open a screenshot from Wikipedia. Let's check the file info. Here we can see it's a JPG file. To convert this image into a PDF file, tap on the menu button from the bottom and select Print or Export to PDF. Here, select Save as PDF. You can change the paper size, orientation, pages, everything. Select Portrait. From here, you can change the paper size and click on the blue Save button from the drop-down menu. Select the destination where the file will be saved. By default, it will select the download file from your file manager. Type the file name. In that case, this is gallery page. Tap on Save from the bottom. And our image has been converted into a PDF file. Let's check this. Open the file manager from your app menu. Tap on the download. Here we can see the very first image is Gallery Pages PDF. Here we can see our PDF is ready. This is how you can convert any image into a PDF file. You can share this with others. Tap on the menu button from the upper right corner. If you want to send this file to someone, you can choose Send File. You can open this file with any app from your device. You can download and print this as well. We want to send this file to someone, tap Send File. From any app on your device, you can send this to others. That was our today's video. Hope you like this. Feel free to like, share and comment this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.